guys, it's me, Beauty by Kandi, and today we are going to be doing this Valentine's Day look. This is look number 1, and I do have 3 different lip shades that goes with this look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. The palette we are going to be using for the majority of this look is from the BH Cosmetics, and this is Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And I'm going to be using all of the pink shades here. I do want to give like a quick little sorry, my lighting has been super bad like the last couple weeks, and I finally got it together, but I recorded this about a week and a half ago, so I apologize if the lighting is different in different sets. I'm worked on it and it's much better, so just bypass all the lighting issues. Again, with the darker pink, we're going to blend that in, and I did start in the inner corner of the eye just to give the color a little bit more pop, and we're just going to blend. Now to go ahead and place the concealer on my eye, this time we are going to be using my Blackup Cosmetics stick, and we are going to be using the highlighter part, and I'm just going to place that right in the middle of my lid. And to add more pink, we are going to go in with the top pink shade and dab that directly on. And to give that more pop, I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetics Modern Matte 28 color eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to take this only pink shade here, and I'm going to place that directly right on top of that. Now going to go in with the glitter, and we are going in with Wet n Wild Face and Body Glitter. It did not have a name for this, but it was just like a tacky, sticky pink glitter. And to add more glitter, we are going to be using all this pink glitter from Target. I'm going to place that directly on using the same brush. Now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and finish the eyes, and we are going to go ahead and place that pink shadow directly underneath the eye. To give the eye a more pink shade, we are now going to highlight my inner corner, and we are using the Huda Beauty Winter Highlighting Palette and the shade Winter Rose. Now to finish up the eyes, we are going to go in and place the eyeliner as well as the mascara and the wispies of lashes on. None of the lashes have completely dried. We're now going to go ahead and use my NYX Cosmetics Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Now we're just going to go ahead and re-bump the face. We are going to be using my favorite Slay Cosmetics Contour Kit in the shade Dark. Now to blend everything out, we are using from Black Radiance Beauty. This is their finishing powder in the shade Milk Chocolate. And we're going to go back in with that same highlighter shade that we placed in the inner corner eye, and we're placing that on the highlighting points of my face. I'm going to be using one of my other favorites, which is the BH Cosmetics Duo Blush Set, and we are going to be using the middle pink shade. Now to highlight my face a little bit more, we are going to add more of the Winter Rose and also the Northern Lights from the Huda Beauty palette. And on to the lips, baby. So we have the first lip look, and the first shade we're going to be using is from Black Radiance Beauty, and this is their Perfect Tone Matte Lip Color in the number 5118. As you can see, it's a really bright fuchsia color, and I'm just going to apply this with my lip pencil, and then we're going to dab the remaining product of it. Now to add a little bit more definition of the pink, we're going to go back in with that same Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we are going to be using those 2 pink shades here, and we're going to place that directly on the lips. Second look, we're just going to add some gloss right on top of that, and we are going back in with Black Radiance, and this is their Perfect Tone Lip Gloss, and this is in the shade Sultry Pink. Now for the final look, this is probably one of my favorites. We're going to go in with the MAC Cosmetics lip pencil, and this is in the shade Chestnut. And I'm just going to outline the outer portion of my lips, and then we are going to highlight with the Kat Von D Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Bow and Arrow. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Once that has been placed all on the lips, I'm just gonna go ahead and dab in the remaining product. And to add a little bit more to that, yes, I know, I'm being a little extra. We're going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics. This is the Cocoa Collection, and this is in the shade Damn Gina. And there you have it, guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys did like it. It was a really quick, short video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'd be happy to answer them. And as always, if you made it this way, you might as well become part of this fam. I mean, you might as well. Just go ahead and click that subscribe button. So thanks for watching, guys. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay beautiful, feel beautiful, be beautiful. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!